Hello everyone, welcome back to a Father's Day unboxing. And I know it's a bit late, but we missed the postman on Saturday because we were in town and he came a bit earlier. So I've had to go and collect this from the local distribution office, which funnily enough was closed yesterday when I went round there. So anyway, this is from my son. It's a Father's Day present. I think I know what it might be. At least I'm hoping I know what it might be. So without further ado, let's carefully get into it and see what we've got. Make sure it's down the bottom nice and safe. Okay. Okay, let's have a look. Peek. Oh, Luke. Haha, chuck it on the floor. Yes, nice. He's got me some snap-on slip joints. These are 3-position slip joint pliers. Nice, look at that. What do you think of those guys? Look alright, they're going to need a, which is even better, they're going to need a bit of a cleaning up. So I don't mind that at all. So yeah, that's good. Thank you very much, son. Very nice, I like those. So I'll have to give those a bit of a cleaning up. And then I can get them into my collection. That's quite a cool idea, this 3-position notch here. 3 different sizes, that's great, I like that. And this one seems to have the orange handles on there, nice and thick as well. So yeah, I'll have to give those a bit of a clean up. Quite like those. Yeah, jaws are nice. Not too much, if any damage, they're like, almost like new in there, look at that. Yeah, they're alright. What's the number on these babies then? This is the, can we see that? 47 ACF. Now is that the, because the cutters are slightly different, look, they're curved. I wonder if this is the, what they classed as the electrical pair, I can't remember now, I'll have to have a look online. But I definitely have to get those cleaned up a bit, they should come up quite nicely I think. Just a bit grubby. Yeah, it's a bit grubby there, look, so it should come off quite nicely I hope. Yeah, it's a little bit grubby. I don't think it's going to be any too much of a bother really. Get some hand cleaner on the grips there. He knows I like a bit of a project, so cool, I like those. Get rid of that. What do you think then, guys? Quite a nice clean up project as well. Nice, like it. Alrighty guys, well thanks to my son for these quite nice looking pliers. As I say, nice clean up project. He knows I like cleaning things up. So yeah, nice. What do you think then, guys? As I say, I think they're 47 ACFs. So yeah, I'll have to get on cleaning those up a bit then. They look alright, quite pleased with those. Thank you very much. Okay guys, well thanks for popping over. Don't forget you can subscribe, like and share. Join me on Instagram because I'll be putting these up on Instagram fairly shortly. And okay then everyone, so I've spent a few moments cleaning it up. What do you think now? Bit more shine on it. It was quite filthy actually, it's like a lot of oil and crap all over it. But handles are a bit cleaner. So I think that'll do until I can clean it up a little bit more. Okay then guys, thanks for watching.